I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin all over the place today. The weekly candle still holding above this key support level. Remember, resistance, resistance. So the ceiling is the new floor. Bitcoin really needs to hold this as a higher low. So you have your low, higher low. This is a higher low. I mean, technically, this is accumulation. People are willing to pay a higher price than they did on the last low for Bitcoin. So again, will we see another move higher out of this? Or again, this level breaks, looking for $35,000, $32,000 Bitcoin. Zooming in, this is a Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Now, there's a little bit of uncertainty as far as this exact trend line, but you see a breakout of 40,500, and potentially there's good confirmation of a double bottom and a breakout of the falling wedge. However, you've got this rising wedge right here, this 68% chance this breaks to the downside. So can you see another drive lower out of Bitcoin before the next move higher? And then where is this next low? So these are things to pay attention to. I'm going to show you how the SPX has been telegraphing this. It is freaking amazing. It's never been so easy to make money and trade in this market because the SPX is front running Bitcoin. Like, you can use traditional fundamental analysis, just basic economic data, and have a real good idea what Bitcoin's going to do. I mean, there's a recession potentially coming in the stock market. That's not super amazing long term for Bitcoin, right? Unless a Bitcoin can break away from what the stock market's doing, but it hasn't happened yet. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person traded Mnet up 62% in a trade. This person joined the group. Essentially, he's been in the oil and natural gas industry for 11 years. He works 7 months offshore every year. He quit working. He stays at home now and he trades full time because he joined the group. The return on investment here versus college is insane. Like, the group pays for itself in a couple trades for the entire year. This person made $7,000 with Naka over a few days. This person went through, he had his entire profit loss. This is really nice how he set it up, but he's up $3,900. If you don't know the rules of this market, you will not win. You cannot win, period. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Listed DAR previously, up 148%. 7 days ago, I posted ACE, 57% banger. April the 19th, I posted Ape. This thing has been going insane. I think it's up like 70% now. Like, it's mooning as we speak, and I'll talk to you about why. But we're nailing it. GMT got this on Coinbase, 57% gains. We're finding the coins that are hard to find, the coins that are banging. We're really good at it because I've got almost 5,000 people on my team that constantly like, Chris, hey, check this out, check this out. So earlier today, we were talking about how American football, you go on the field, the coach calls a play, and the teams line up on the field, and the quarterback will call audibles based on how the defense is lined up, right? Trading is similar, right? You call your plays. Bitcoin has these patterns, but whenever there's a fake out or a change that has to be made, you have to be able to flip the other direction. Call the audibles. Have different trade ideas, plan A, plan B. And essentially you react to how the price action, if you get a bearish retest, a bullish retest, etc. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you've got to learn these basic ideas. They will change your life forever. I said decision time for SPX because SPX earlier was super green today and bounced significantly, right? And I posted this entire idea, SPX bouncing, bounce idea, as I talked to you about it yesterday. Now SPX at resistance. So Again, if SPX gets rejected and this holds and it comes down potentially somewhere in this area, you could see a pullback out of Bitcoin. This breaks and flips higher. SPX moves higher. Bitcoin's going with it. And it's really that easy. This is today's pro tip. Whenever you are watching the price action and you do not have a clear pattern to look at, go down in the RSI. There's a school of traders that primarily depends and relies on what the RSI is printing, right? So if you have essentially overbought levels and a rising wedge, you're looking for very high success rate for a break to the downside. Again, you have this falling wedge, tight falling wedge, comes down here to oversold territory. High success, super high success level that this breaks out to the upside, right? Same thing here, falling wedge. It comes down here to, when you're trying to time these moves, anytime you get oversold conditions or overbought conditions, there's a very high likelihood that you see a reversal. And you have these rising and falling wedges to build the bullish or bearish case. This is a game changer. Chart the RSI, rising wedges, falling wedges, banging. Bottom line is this, I'm telling you right now, most of the market's gotten completely destroyed. You keep learning, push yourself, practice, make a 4-year plan. There is no reason in 4 years you should be working. This is it. This is our biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. All the new money that FOMOs into the market, when this crazy hype cycle happens again, we're going to take their money. Just survive the downtrends and skip the chop if you're new. It's that simple. You're going to have an aha moment. The learning curve is exponential. Once you get this, you are going to smash your financial goals, period. I'm going to be here and keep you updated and make sure that happens, period. Again, pre-market still green, up 2%. SPX, I just want to see where this is at in the morning. See if stocks continue higher. Bitcoin is potentially mimicking these moves. This is the dollar index, the DXY. This is the bull run for the dollar. This thing has gone completely parabolic. When this pulls back, you can see more money flow into the stock market, more money flow into crypto. But when the dollar is mooning, it's not necessarily good for crypto or stocks. But you're really looking at the major pivots on this chart. So you have to pay attention to these basic ideas. Ape. So ApeCoin came out, hits new all-time high because they've got an other side land auction. I posted this setup back here, up 71% now. They have this huge land auction. You don't want to FOMO in now. I posted this thing twice. But there's coins that just are doing their own thing, period. And you have to be in these coins, and it takes time. It takes time to find them. There's no way I could even begin to keep up with this market if I didn't have thousands of people helping me every single day watch all these coins. There's no way. Listen, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. I will help you continue to watch this channel